More than a decade ago, the BMW Group launched its efficient dynamics development strategy. This strategy is committed to the ongoing pursuit of an efficient overall vehicle, a dynamic drivetrain, and intelligent management of all energy flows.
We're here in the
BMW Group's Aero Lab, one of the most advanced wind tunnels in the world. This is where we carry out the detailed honing of our vehicle's aerodynamics. Under the same roof, we also focus on the lightweight design of our cars. For example, overall weight, center of gravity, axle load distribution. Everything that ultimately has a definitive impact on longitudinal and latitudinal dynamics and efficiency. Next to optimized aerodynamics, intelligent lightweight engineering is fundamental to any dynamic vehicle. A low center of gravity, balanced axle load, masses compactly positioned near the center of the vehicle, and the lowest possible overall weight. A revolutionary life drive concept was developed for the BMW i models. The drive module is made of aluminum. The life module of carbon. The carbon fiber is produced in Moses Lake in the USA, using energy that is delivered entirely from hydropower. In Wackersdorf, carbon fiber bundles, so-called rovings, are placed side by side and stitched together. In Leipzig, they are then cut to size, stacked, preformed, and hardened using resin. The parts are then bonded to form the passenger cell. 50% lighter than steel and 30% lighter than aluminum. BMW debuts large-scale industrial processing of carbon, a first in the motor industry. Intelligent, lightweight engineering pulls out all the stops, the right concept, the right material in the right place, optimization down to the last detail, over and over. That's what we understand by lightweight design. The acoustic screen in the BMW i8 divides the cabin from the engine compartment at the rear, which dispenses with noise insulation measures. Acoustic sheeting is sandwiched between layers of chemically hardened glass. That makes the screen stable, flexible, and considerably lighter compared with conventional glass. The aluminum rear wheel carrier is a highly stressed component, exposed to wheel forces acting from all directions. It is designed to transfer these forces in a controlled manner to the links. In the areas between the attachment points, every gram of unnecessary material has been removed to save weight. The instrument panel support made of die-cast magnesium makes even more efficient use of this lightweight material, whose rigidity is achieved only in conjunction with the body and instrument panel. It makes for a weight savings of 30%. Foam plastic replaces conventional material in the air conditioning ducts of the BMW i8. The new component is flexible, absorbs noise from the air conditioning system, and is 60% lighter. The patented forged aluminum aero wheel rim is optimized for both lightness and aerodynamics. Reduced air resistance, reduced weight, and low rotational energy requires less engine power. The BMW i8 embodies intelligent lightweight engineering, from concept to detail. Optimal axle load distribution, low center of gravity, plus the low weight of a sports car. The right material in the right place.